Hey guys, want to secure your website with HTTPS? SiteGround makes it easy to activate HTTPS using a free SSL. And in this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to enable HTTPS on your SiteGround hosting. So step 1 is logging into your SiteGround account. So start by logging into your SiteGround dashboard. From the Sites Tools section, you'll have to select the website you want to secure with HTTPS. Now, after you do this, in the left-hand menu, click on Security. Then select SSL Manager. And this is where you can install and manage SSL certificates for your domain. Under the SSL Manager, choose your domain from the drop-down. Select Let's Encrypt as the SSL type and click Get. SiteGround will install the SSL certificate in seconds. After installing SSL, go to the HTTPS Enforce under the Security tab. Activate this option to automatically redirect all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS, ensuring that your entire site is secure and safe. So first you will have to navigate to dashboard that will look something like this. Click on Enforce HTTPS under Security and Enforce HTTPS. Then toggle the Enforce HTTPS button that you will see, and that's it. Now you will have successfully set all the visitors to be redirected to the HTTPS version of your website. Now you can visit your website and make sure that the browser shows a padlock icon in the address bar. If it's not showing, try clearing your cache or wait a few minutes for the update. If you're using WordPress, go to Settings on WordPress, navigate to General and update your WordPress address and the site address to use the HTTPS instead of HTTP to prevent mixed content issues. Now, you can use online SSL checkers to verify your certificate is active and fully secure. SiteGround's HTTPS setup is usually instant, but this final check confirms everything is working. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.